Good afternoon everyone. Today we will start exercise 9, addition or subtraction word problems. First question. 4,200 students took part in a competition. Out of these 2,570 were girls. How many boys took part in the competition? We have to find out the number of boys. Let's solve it. Total number of students 4,200. Number of girls 2,570. So we have to find out number of boys. We cannot subtract any number from 0. For that we have to take borrow. It will become 10. It will become 1. Again we cannot subtract bigger number from a smaller number. It will become 3 and it will become 11. 0 minus 0, 0. 10 minus 7, 3. 11 minus 5, 6. And 3 minus 2, 1. So 1,630 boys. 1,630 boys took part in the competition. Second question. Shanti collected 2,345 red beads and 3,172 blue beads to make necklaces. How many beads does she have in total? We have to find total number of beads she collected. Okay. Shanti collected red beads 2,345, blue beads 3,172. We have to find out total number. For that we have to add the numbers. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 1, carry 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. And 3 plus 2, 5. So total number of beads Shanti collected total 5,517 beads. Okay. Now next question. Max bought a book consisting 1,278 pages. He read 992 pages last week. How many pages are left to be read? Total pages 1,278 and he read 992. So how many pages are left? We have to find out. For that we have to subtract it. 8 minus 2, 6. We cannot subtract 9 from 7. So it will become 17. When we have taken borrow from 2, it will become 1. Okay. 8 minus 2, 6. 17 minus 9, 8. Now 1. 1. If we see 1 and 1, 11. Or we can carry borrow to this. It will become 0 and 11. Okay. So 11 minus 9, 2. Okay. अगर आप यहाँ बोरो नहीं करते, यहाँ से आप, तो भी ये 11 हो जाता है ना. अगर हम इसको 0 नहीं करते, केवल 1 और 1, 1 1 11 है ना. बट अगर आपको समझ नहीं आया तो प्रॉब्लम होगी, इसलिए मैंने यहाँ पे इसको बोरो किया. ये 11 हो गया और यहाँ पे 0. ठीक है. सो हाउ मैनी पेजेस आर लेफ्ट? 280 pages are left to be read. 286 pages are left to be read. Left to be read. Okay. In this way you have to solve word problems. Next question. A shopkeeper keeps 1,235 bottles of orange drink and 878 bottles of lemon drink. How many bottles does he have in total? A shopkeeper keeps orange bottles 1,235 and lemon drink bottles 878. We have to find out the total number. For that we have to add this number. 8 plus 5 13, carry 1. 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 1 11, again carry 1. 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 1 11, carry 1. 1 plus 1 2. So total number of bottles 2113. Total bottles 2113. Okay. Now question number 5. Hafiz had rupees 3125 with him. He gave rupees 1178 to Shubham. How much money is left with Hafiz had rupees 3125. He gave to Shubham 1178. We have to find out that how much money left with Hafiz. So we have to subtract. We cannot subtract 8 from 5. It will become 15. It will become 1. Again we cannot subtract 7 from 1. Okay, now we cannot subtract 1 from 0. 2, and it will become 10. Now 15 minus 8, 7. 11 minus 7, 4. 10 minus 1, 9. And 2 minus 1, 1. Rupees 1947 left with Hafiz. Okay, so this is question number 1. 1630 boys took part in the competition. Question number 2. Shanti collected 5570. Okay, 286 pages are left to be read. Question number 3. Question number 4. Total number of bottles 2113. And question number 5. Rupees 947 left with Hafiz. In this way you have to solve statement sums. Okay.